Cecil and Worcester Counties were hot with buyer activity this past week. It's Friday, January 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Those two counties experienced the highest number of new contracts, followed by Queen Annes and Wicomico counties. Kent County is seeing some activity again, with 6 of the 143 new contracts written. There are 1,363 homes for sale, which is only slightly up from last reports. 59 properties are coming soon, a significant decline in potential inventory. 161 came to the market since last week, 68 went under contract, 75 moved to pending, 109 sold at 96.7% list to sold ratio, and in just 21 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Claiborne for $1,850,000. There are 123 rentals available for lease on the shore at $2,200 median per month, a slight inventory decline. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, January 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.